Okay, so for the past 30 minutes, I've been trying to figure this thing out. This is a 3M hard hat helmet, and the instructions are terrible. When you go to their channel or anybody's YouTube channel, it seems like you flip this inside out, and then you flip this. I don't know what they were trying to do, but I was about to throw this as far as I could. But what I figured out, so this is just me, what I did was I just oriented these little keys here on the outside. So you just twist to remove it. So from the outside, so basically it looks like this. I just took my strap here with the threads on the upside. I'm gonna lock it in here. This thing is stupid, but we're going to twist it, if I can even do that, like so. So now it looks like this, basically. So I'm not gonna flip anything inside out, but what I am going to do is I am just, see how this is oriented? Let me see. This is oriented kind of like it's not like a rainbow, but like a U, or I don't know, a curve. What I'm going to do is the 3M side is the back here. That's the side with the ratchet. What we're gonna do is flip it where the 3M faces you. All I'm going to do, I'm not flipping anything. All I'm doing is I'm just going to slide that curve like this, because of how I oriented it, just like that. And then same thing here, same thing here, and same thing here. Boom, all good. You can adjust this however you want. I hate this. I hate it. If you want it, cool. If you got it, cool. If not, you probably broke it. I don't even want this anymore. It made me mad. But hopefully this helps you. Thank you for watching.